Hi children, welcome back to our channel Bhavya's Kids Tutorial. Please subscribe to our channel. Children, today we will learn about double letter vowels. So children, we know that A, E, I and O and U. These are all called as a vowel sounds. Okay. In so many times we use double letter vowels for some words. Okay. For example, O and Y makes the sound oi. O and Y, oi. Same sounds, okay. But these are double letter vowels, okay. And O and U, O and W, O and O, okay. So we explore these vowel diphthongs that make two sounds in one, such as OI, OY, OU, OW and OO, like this, okay. So let's begin. What are the examples for these double letter vowels, okay. Coil, C-O-I-L, coil. Point, P-O-I-N-T, point. Coin, C-O-I-N, coin. Pink, P-I-N-K, pink. O and Y letters are as follows. Toy, T-O-Y, toy. J-O-Y, joy. B-O-Y, boy. R-O-Y, Roy. Okay, O and U letters words are cloud, C-L-O-U-D, cloud. Count, C-O-U-N-T, count. Sound, S-O-U-N-D, sound. Mouse, M-O-U-S-E, mouse. H-O-U-S-E, house. L-O-U-D, loud. Okay. Next, O and W words as follows. Cow, C-O-W, cow. O-W-L, owl. C-R-O-W-N, crown. D-O-W-N, down. W-O-W, wow. Okay. Next, O and O double letter vowels words as follows. Hoop, H-O-O-P, hoop. Broom, B-R-O-O-M, broom. Spoon, S-P-O-O-N, spoon. Look, L-O-O-K, look. Hook, H-O-O-K, hook. Foot, F-O-O-T, foot. Boot, B-O-O-T, boot. Roof, R-O-O-F, roof. Poof, P-O-O-F, poof. Book, B-O-O-K, book. So, these are all the examples for the double letter vowels. Okay. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel Bhavya's Kids Tutorial. Thanks for watching children. Bye-bye.